Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about: the ANMESC laptop computer. If you're in the market for a laptop that's not just powerful, but also stylish and packed with features, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we dive into the incredible features that make this laptop a must-have for anyone on the go. Feast your eyes on the ANMESC laptop. With its sleek design and 15.6-inch 1080p FHD display, this laptop is a visual delight. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, working on a project, or just browsing the web, the vibrant and crisp visuals will enhance your experience like never before. But what's beauty without brains, right? This laptop is powered by the Quad-Core Intel Celeron N5095 processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsive performance. Say goodbye to those frustrating lags and slowdowns, and say hello to seamless computing. Wait, there's more. The ANMESC laptop comes equipped with a whopping 12 GB of DDR4 RAM and a spacious 512 GB SSD. That means you can have multiple applications running simultaneously without breaking a sweat. And with that much storage, your files, photos, and videos will have a cozy home. Now, let's talk software. This laptop comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, offering a modern and intuitive interface that's optimized for productivity and creativity. The redesigned Start menu, centered taskbar, and enhanced snap features make multitasking is a breeze. Staying connected is a top priority, right? The ANMESC laptop has got you covered with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi options, ensuring a stable and fast internet connection. Plus, Bluetooth 4.2 lets you seamlessly connect your favorite accessories. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative soul, this laptop adapts to your needs. From streaming and studying to designing and coding, it's a true all-rounder that's ready to keep up with your dynamic lifestyle. And there you have it, folks. The ANMESC laptop computer. A perfect blend of style and substance. With its stunning FHD display, powerful processor, ample memory, and Windows 11, it's a game-changer in the world of laptops. So, if you're ready to elevate your computing experience, don't miss out on the ANMESC laptop. Hit that link in the description to grab yours today. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Until next time, stay tech savvy.